Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So if you're watching this video today on a Friday, April 12th, 2024, it's my birthday. I turned 48 today. All glory be to God. So therefore, ladies, help your girl to share this video as a birthday present to me. For as many as you are that you can share it, I will be very grateful. All right, and please pray for me in the comment section. For today is my birthday, April 12, 2024. I turned 48 today. All glory be to God. Anyway, ladies, thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you once again. Today I'm going to be restyling a dress and a jumpsuit from STHCUTE. So you have to watch this before you purchase from them, and the reason why I said so, in my previous video I chose a medium size for the black one which you're seeing on the screen right now. So I went ahead and I purchased another one in my size small for my birthday photo shoot, which I did the makeup, the hair, the photo shoot all by myself with the grace of God. That is why it is good to be a content creator. You save a lot of cash. All right, ladies, you all know that on this channel we're all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. So ladies, please don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about how I'm restyling these outfits from STHCUTE. Let me know which one is your favorite, and please don't forget to thumb this video up and remember my birthday presents. First of all, the prayers, and second, please share this video for as many as you are that you can share it. I will appreciate it. Thank you all so much for watching, and without further ado, let's jump right into restyling of this outfit.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew, then you from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rode up on me, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. Now I'm a better duo, so why do we do this dance? Are we moving too slow? Cause you need reassurance. Don't conflate issues. Why you always jump to, do I really want you, when you know that I do? You so scared of real love, cause you've been abandoned. With any mistake, they quick to run. And so you run. Jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at is yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard.
Ladies, let's take a quick break for our sister. She's from Nigeria. She's also a YouTuber. This is her book. I believe this is her first published. Correct me in the comment section, my lady, if you're watching. All right, she's also a YouTuber. This book is all about how to go out alone, and you're going to see many more series of this about how to go out alone to meet, you know, your best partner, your rich man, and all that good stuff. She's amazing. You all need to check out our channel. All right, I will put the name on the screen. Let's go out there to purchase one of this book to read, and let's support our Nigerian sister. I bought mine on Amazon. You can also get yours on Amazon too. So let's go back to today's video. It's my birthday.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good.
All right, ladies, thank you all so much for watching. How do you see it? I could go on and on, but you all can see I'm getting like sweaty, and I don't want to put anything from, you know, from my head down, just not to ruin my makeup, because I'm still going to go out and I don't want to make my hair to look too untidy. I know I could style this like many more ways, but I hope you all enjoyed the short ways I was able to style it. Thank you for the prayers, thank you for the birthday wishes, and thank you for sharing my video. And please like this video. Thank you all so much, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.